In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a project board on GitHub. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, organizing your work is essential, and GitHub provides a great way to do just that using their project boards. So, let's dive in and make this process straightforward and enjoyable. First, you'll want to open your GitHub repository. This is the central hub for all your project files, commits, and documentation, so it's important to have this ready. If you're not familiar with how GitHub works, know that a repository is essentially a directory or storage space where your project resides. Once you're at the repository's main page, you'll see various tabs such as Code, Issues, Pull Requests, and so forth. Our focus today will be on the Projects tab. Next, you'll need to click on the Projects tab. This tab is where all your project management tools are housed. It's a really convenient place for tracking tasks, planning sprints, and managing workflows. Once you're in the Projects area, look for a button that says New Project. Clicking this will initiate the process of creating your new project board. Once you've clicked to create a new project, GitHub will present you with different template options that cater to different organizational styles and needs. The templates available are Board, Table, and Roadmap. Each of these serves a unique purpose. The Board template offers a Kanban-style organization, ideal for a visual workflow. The Table template provides a more spreadsheet-like view, which can be beneficial if you prefer a structured list format. Lastly, the Roadmap template integrates timelines, making it perfect for long-term planning and strategic management. After choosing the template that best suits your project's needs, you'll be prompted to enter a project name. This should be something descriptive, giving you and your collaborators a clear idea of what the board is meant to cover. For instance, if your project board is meant to manage a specific feature set, naming it accordingly can be really helpful. While optional, you also have the choice to add a description. This is particularly useful for providing additional context or instructions for your team. Now you're just one step away from setting your project board into motion. To finalize everything, click on the Create Project button. With that click, your project board is officially created on GitHub, ready to use for organizing tasks, tracking progress, and enhancing collaboration among team members. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on creating a project board on GitHub. This tool can greatly improve your workflow and keep your project on track, providing a clear and organized path to achieving your goals. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!